Yeah, hello friends. So welcome back to our channel. Okay, so today we are going to have a look at an new trading strategy which we have started now. Okay, so which we have named as an minting and ebb and flow. Okay, so which is a new trading series which I will be posting on a daily basis in my blog as well as in my Twitter and my Telegram channel as well. Okay, so if you guys are watching our channel for the first time, then I would request you guys to go through all our videos whichever we have uploaded. So we have uploaded lot many option strategies, positional trading videos, investment strategies, also and intraday strategies as well. Okay, so we also started posting an market outlook for the coming weeks, whatever the market outlooks, whatever the things we have to track, all those things we have posted. Okay, and we have done lot many option adjustment videos as well. Okay, so if you are an option seller, so you should have a technique to how to you should know how to adjust your option strategies, option tradings, right? So we have even posted lot many short straddle adjustments, short CE adjustments, short put adjustments. So we have uploaded most of the adjustments as well. Okay, so in our previous months option trading series, we can see that we have done a lot many adjustments. So we actually initially started our trade with 11,200 PE, and post that we have added 11,200 CE short as well, and we have created in short straddle. Okay, suppose that markets keep on moved upside, so we went long on the future, and to cover this cover some glitches in this future long, we have sold 11,300 put, and again we have sold 12,000 call option, and again we closed this 11,300 put option, and we have entered in 11,700 put, and again we have entered 11,600 put. Okay, so this is the overall profit which happened, which we can see on the screen on the day of expiry. Okay, so this is for an October month. Okay, so the capital used for this will be like around 4.5 lakhs, so which gave an returns of around 3.50% for a 1 month time period. Okay, so we have created lot many adjustments, we have added lot many adjustments based on the markets movements, right? So we have also started a new option series for the November month as well. So right now we are in the position of by selling 12,000 call option, and we have sold 11,300 put option. Okay, so the capital required for this trade will be 1.3 lakh, and our break even on the downside is 10,986, and on the upside we have a break even of 12,314. Okay, so we have a maximum profit of 23,000 if the market trade anywhere between 11,300 and 12,000, then we will be getting a profit of 23,000. And post that, if market tends to move either below or lower, below or higher of our above our sold options, then our profits will get reduced, and after this break even level we will be getting in losses. Okay, so instead of getting in losses, we'll try to make some adjustments to our trade, so that we can come out of the trade with either some profits or a very good profits, or at least without any loss if market moves violently. Okay, so also we have started one more new trading series um, from November, so which I named as an minting and ebb and flow. So this is a new series which we have started. Okay, so the setup for this will be buying one at the money either call or put option, and will be selling two out the money either call or put option respectively as per the buying. If you are buying one call option, then we'll be selling two OTM call options, and if you are buying one put option, ATM put option, then we'll be selling two OTM put options respectively. Okay, so we'll be collecting whatever the premium which we have paid in this buying option. We'll be collecting all those money from selling two OTM options. Okay, and we'll be having some initial credit as well. So if market tends to move uh, either downside or the upside, we don't have an loss break evens on the one side, and we'll be having a break even on either upside or the downside based on the put or call option we take, and it will going to give us a profit even if the direction which we look into is goes wrong. Okay, so here for example the first trade which we took is in Kotak Bank. So Kotak Bank was trading around 1580 on on 2nd November. Okay, so we'll be buying one lot of 1580 put at around 70 rupees, and we'll be selling one 1560 put on at the price of 59, and we'll be selling one more put option at the strike price of 1480 at the price of 59. Okay, so here the margin record will be 1.6 lakh, and we'll be getting the 7200 rupees as a credit, which will be our profit if market tends to move higher. Okay, so I have choose this Kotak Bank as it is in a bullish mode right now. So I have sold put option, so that if the market tends, if the Kotak Bank tends to move higher, we'll be getting this credit as our profit. And even if the market reverse from the current level, we'll be having an break even at the level of 1442. So which is like almost around 140 points on the lower side. Until that we don't get any profit, and if markets expire anywhere between 1480 and 1560, we'll be getting the profit of 15240. Okay, so this is the uh, trading strategy which I started from November 2nd, and will be tracking uh, these trades continuously. Okay, so we'll be posting multiple stock trades, and we'll be going to have max 2 to 3 stocks, 3 to 4 stocks trading options strategies at a time, not more than that. Okay, so because our assuming that a person will have at least a capital of 5 lakh, so he can spend 1.60 lakh for this Kotak trade, and we can use other amount for uh, some other stock tradings. Okay, so this is the new strategy. So I named it as a minting and ebb and flow, which means that we are going to make either for example in the Kotak Bank, if the stock is going to move higher, we are going to make a profit, and if the stock is going to reverse till some point, we are going to make a profit. So that is the reason that I named it as a minting and ebb and flow. Okay, so you guys can read our blog on a daily basis, so that you guys can track all those trades. Okay, and also we are providing an one-to-one service as well. So if you guys are interested in those things, you can WhatsApp me on this number, so which is 730-522-6224. Okay, so you can even WhatsApp me for one-to-one service, assuming that you guys can have a capital of at least of 2 lakhs. Okay, so if you guys have this, and if you are interested to do an option trading, you can WhatsApp me for in this number, so that we can provide our guidance and services for your trading, so that you can even earn from that. Okay, so thanks for watching, friends. So uh, subscribe to our channel, and also click on the bell icon, so that you'll be getting a notifications whenever we upload any new videos. And follow our blog, as well as our follow through our Twitter, where we'll be posting charts for multiple technical analysis, and also we'll be posting our views in a Telegram channel as well. Okay, so let's say I cannot upload videos all the time, and also I cannot write a blog all the times, and also you guys uh, means doesn't know when I will be publishing a blog, right? So if there is any change, we have to do some adjustments on mid of the market during the market hours. So I'll be posting that either in my Twitter or in my Telegram channels. Okay, so you can expect my blog post on every day market opening market on every market days at the time of 9 a.m. I'll be posting my blog on the daily basis. Okay, so thanks for watching, friends. Also click on the like button, and also share with your friends, and also do comment your views. So thanks for watching, friends.